Alright, family. So, just a quick news. Me in a class, but it's a little break and something important can come. I'm just bring it by, guys. So, ignore the dog and everything. We can't edit cause your laptop shake. But regardless, so Sagicor Jamaica Limited agreed to purchase 100% share of Alliance Finance Services. If you remember Alliance is getting some little trouble with BOJ because they basically lost swindle money or whatever. So you can go upon this Radio Jamaica online. What I did was just simply type in the bad news. That'll come up anyways. So you just click on this and you can read the full article. But essentially, it was a case where they basically never did not operate under the regulations that they were meant to operate under. So them license get suspended. And essentially the business collapse rough, give or take. So what Sagicor do really is just use the opportunity to legit just buy up everything while everything is cheap. So they wanna get like them systems, every system that Alliance usually use, them customers where them usually connect with Lasco and Lasco Finances to pay out like part and them other things there. Just a lot of all them technology essentially, proprietary technology them are buy and own. So which is good. So now them can get a larger customer base, them systems that them use, them also get access to the remittance space as well, which going to be a little vibe in and out itself. So then there's that. So the stock price right now closed at 53.1 cent. 53.1 cent. More than likely when the news get out proper, you should see it go up. Just like how I did I say your rate mental go up, it the 8 now. So it's a little vibe. But yo, smash the like button, like, share, comment, subscribe. It's me sharp, but me I jump back a class now, break done.